Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add reverb in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments that you can get started playing, you can find the audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to add reverb to our tracks in GarageBand. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up our recording menu. So you can open up any of the options you have right here, instruments, and just going to open up the audio record, but it all works the same. So it's going to open up this new recording menu where you can get started with recording at the top of the screen and get started with adding your effects. So let's go ahead and open up the edit menu by clicking the upper left button right here. That's going to open up the mixing mode where we can find all the tracks that we have, as you can see right here. So here we can see all the tracks that we are playing, and now we can get started with adding reverb to them. So basically, what you want to do to be able to start adding reverb is just go right here in the upper left corner, and next to the FX button, you're going to see the sliders button. After opening up the sliders, guys, it's going to open up your track settings and effects right here. And what you want to do is go ahead and scroll down. Scroll down all the way down until you find Master Effects. And under Master Effects, you'll have the reverb section right here. So you can get started with adding as much reverb as you want or reduce the reverb right here directly. And after finishing, it's going to automatically apply it to your tracks. And now you'll be able to hear the effect. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.